Hearth Garden says they sell luxury garden furniture online at prices so low, it's like buying a takeaway meal. They have things like dining sets, lounge chairs, and decorations made from nice materials like acacia wood and PE rock tan. They also promise some good perks: free shipping in the UK, a 100-day return policy, and a guarantee that you won't find lower prices anywhere else. One example they show looks like a normal price but marked down to just a fraction of that, which seems way too good to be true. There are several warning signs. Their customer service email uses a different domain than their website. There's no information about the company's background, no physical address, and no clear owner. The customer reviews look fake since they're all perfect with no complaints or returns mentioned. The website itself was only created very recently, so it doesn't have any history or credibility. Plus, there are no real reviews on trusted sites like Trustpilot or Reddit. They also push the site hard through paid ads on social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Another red flag is the lack of detailed product information. Pictures look professional, but you can't find specs, dimensions, or material details that are usually standard for legitimate furniture retailers. Some of the pricing strategies also feel suspicious, like flash sales and countdown timers that pressure you into buying quickly. This makes it hard to know what you're actually getting. Overall, it seems pretty sketchy and could be a scam. So buying from them might mean losing your money or getting low quality products that don't match what's advertised. If you want luxury garden furniture, it's safer to stick with established brands that have verified reviews, clear contact information, and real customer support. Always take a moment to verify credibility before clicking buy.